Filmora is a user-friendly video editing software that targets beginner to intermediate level editors, offering an intuitive interface and an extensive library of pre-built effects, transitions, and templates. Its drag-and-drop functionality makes it easy for users to start editing videos quickly, even without prior editing experience. Filmora supports a wide variety of video formats and provides basic editing tools such as trimming, cutting, and combining video clips, as well as more advanced features like color correction, audio editing, and speed control. The software also includes a range of visual effects, text animations, and transitions, making it ideal for creating professional-looking videos for social media, YouTube, or personal projects. One of Filmora's standout features is its vast collection of royalty-free music, sound effects, and stock footage, which allows users to enhance their videos with high-quality audio and visuals. While Filmora lacks some of the advanced features found in professional-grade software like Adobe Premiere Pro, it still offers a solid set of tools for creating polished content without a steep learning curve. The software is available through both a one-time purchase or a subscription model, making it more affordable for casual users. However, Filmora's limited advanced features may not satisfy professional editors working on complex video projects. Overall, Filmora is an excellent choice for beginner to intermediate content creators who need a simple and effective video editing solution.